జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 309th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం ఇష్టాయ నమః. ఓ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, I realize that all the Maharshis, after they have seen you, they felt so happy and they started craving to see again and again. They started liking to see again and again your divine form. O Srimannarayana, like that you are liked by all the great sages. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Ishtaya Namaha. Om Ishtaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sri Ramachandra Swami inquiring all the details about kingdom and everything with Bharata, asking that, "O Bharata, how is Kausalya Mata, Sumitra Mata doing? How is Kaikeyi Mata doing? Is Kaikeyi Mata happy with the kingdom now? O Bharata, are you respecting and worshipping all our Purohitas very well? O Bharata, Kachidagnishuté yukto vidhigno matiman ruzuhu." All the Purohitas, our Acharyas, are they keeping you informed about all the yajnas and yagas, what they are doing and what they are going to be doing? O Bharata, Kachid Devan, are you doing yajnas and satisfying all the devatas? Kachit Pitrun Matrun. Bharata, are you listening to parents' words? O Bharata, are you taking care of parents very well? O Bharata, are you respecting parents very well? O Bharata, are you serving parents very well? O Bharata, are you listening to Acharyas very well? O Bharata, are you respecting all the learned people? O Bharata, are you respecting those who are elderly people, not only in age but also in wisdom, but also in experience? Are you taking care of them very well? Are you respecting them very well? O Bharata, our Acharya who taught us archery, Sudhanva his name, are you respecting him? Are you taking care of our Dhanurvedacharya Sudhanva very well? O Bharata, did you appoint all the reliable persons as your ministers? O Bharata, did you appoint those who learned Niti Shastram as your ministers? O Bharata, did you appoint those who would not be influenced by any bribes as your ministers? O Bharata, did you appoint those who will be able to evaluate the people, such great psychology experts? Did you appoint them as your ministers? O Bharata, are you doing all kind of decision making with your ministers in a very secret place? The keeping all your decisions as secret is the indication for your and root cause for your success. O Bharata, are you controlling your sleep? O Bharata, hope you are not taking any decisions by yourself. Kachin mantrayase naikaha. Also, I hope that you are not taking any decisions with so many people. Kachinna bahubhissaha. If you take a decision by yourself, there may be so many bad things you may not realize. If you take any decisions by discussing with so many people, you will never come to a decision, and it never comes to a conclusion, and before that, that will spread all over the kingdom. That should not be done. Also, oh Bharata, are you doing any kind of big projects with very less expenses? Whatever the projects having less expenses but gives so much of result, such kind of activities are you doing? Such kind of projects should not be delayed anymore. Immediately you have to launch that kind of projects. Are you doing that? Kaschidardham vinischitya laghumulam mahodayam క్షిప్రం ఆరభసే కర్తుం నదీర్ఘయసి రాఘవ. భరత, ఆర్ యూ డూయింగ్ సచ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ గ్రేట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ which is involved with less expenses but gives more results? Like this, Sri Ramachandra Swami inquiring Bharata all about the kingdom. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 34th sloka today onwards from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Ishto visishtaha sishteshtaha sikhandi nahusho vrushaha krodhaha क्रोधकृत्कर्ता विश्वबाहुः महीधरः. ॐ सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण. As and how Ramachandra Swami was inquiring Bharata about a project which will have less expense but gives more result. That is what is our Narayanastram. All that we are doing is one sloka from Ramayana, one sloka from Gita, one namam from Vishnu Sahasranamam. Every day we are spending just 1 minute. With that, we are getting the result of chanting entire Ramayanam, result of chanting 33 times Sampurna Gita, result of chanting 24 times Vishnu Sahasranamam every day. Not only that we are getting that big result, but also because of that chanting, this entire earth is getting purified every day, which is giving Loka Kalyanam. So this is a very, very important basic responsibility and duty of every one of us. And all that we are doing is just spending 1 minute and getting such a huge result and giving such a huge result to entire world. So those who have not taken Narayanastram yet, I request them to go to narayanastram.org and register. You will get an email with one sloka number from Ramayana, one sloka number from Gita, one namam number number from Vishnu Sahasranamam. We also gave some links for you to locate those slokas. If you find any difficulty, you can definitely send me a message with those numbers. I will send you the audio recordings. All that you have to do is any time a day, every day, any time, any given time, maybe before you eat or before you sleep, any time, just give a glance to those 2 slokas and 1 namam. That's all it is. It has to be done. So that is what, let us take it as a Sri Ramachandra Swami's divine order. So please go to narayanastram.org and get your Narayanastram. Om Ishtaya Namaha. Om Ishtaya Namaha. Om Ishtaya Namaha.